New from Trimax Mowing Systems. Unyielding, unshakable, unstoppable. The Trimax Force is a force to be reckoned with. Stronger than ever to handle your toughest applications. From roadsides to open space management and everything in between. And more manoeuvrable for a closer cut, with an unprecedented range of options available to increase versatility and expand usability. The Trimax Force can be perfectly customised for your mowing and mulching needs. An internal replaceable liner decreases noise and increases durability. Side skids can be easily adjusted or removed to suit your application. Controlled discharge with the adjustable rear flap for maximum safety in public places. Or open it completely for easy access to the rotor. Spend less time on maintenance than ever before with grease-free sealed roller bearings and automatic belt tensioning, quick access grease points and built-in rotor wrap protection. Designed to be the safest in the industry. And backed by Trimax's industry-leading service, including local parts supply and service support, and access to digital Trimax resources at your fingertips. Do more with the Trimax Force. Book a demo today.